Okay, hey all, welcome back, thanks for watching. Wow, it's been dreadful weather out there, really bad, so I took a rain check. This week. Yeah, I just thought I'd fling this video together just to talk about some camping kit. We all love camping kit. So just some of the bits that I wouldn't leave me home without. So I've ruled it down to 7, like. Look, let's start at sleeping. Right, sleeping mat, whatever ones you use, all various different types of R value for different times of the year. Yeah, so the higher the R value, the better it's going to keep you warm. If there are beginners out there and you aren't sure the way that works, higher R value, more toastier person sleeping. Okay, it's kind of that's what you want to look out for. So okay, unfortunately, higher R value usually means higher price. So I have got my eye on one that's 230, but I've just other things, other commitments I need to spend dash on. So a sleeping mat, I would never leave. I would turn back and go home, or I would go to the nearest shop that sells sleeping mats if I forgot my sleeping mat. So sleeping mat. Pillows. How much have you spent on blow pillows? You've probably spent a lot, have you? I have. Oh, see these stuff sacks, dry bags. Yeah, have to give a special nod out for them because clothes, everything, your spare clothes, you can just crunch down to nothing. It's the only reason I can use a 45 to 55 litre bag, because I use these. Okay, so look at the size of that. That's a pillow. This is the closest pillow you'll get to at home. It really is. It's really soft. The blow up ones, the smaller ones tend to move. The bigger ones, I don't know. People are talking about the Trekology, but I'm not going to get one. I'd get another one of these and use 2. I don't care about the weight. It's only about the weight of a can of Coke. So just for extra comfort, it's the closest thing I've got to a pillow at home. So I like me sleep, at the end of the night. So yeah, pillow. So that's 2 items, isn't it? Although it is. It's a sleeping mat and then a pillow. Okay, so next one is a pot, a titanium pot. This one is. It's a 750 Tokes. It's the one with the bail handle, old school, and then this handle here as well. It can go in the fire, like literally into the fire. You can cook. I could do a small little stew for myself in this easily. 750 millilitres. For your water, for your boiling the bags, your dehydrated meals, your vegetables, everything can be cooked in this. So, and it's so ridiculously light, you hardly notice that it's in your kit, which is important if you're on the longer trails. I'm actually planning a hike, just a 2-day hike, and I'll be bringing ultra light gear, so this will be in. And then, just to expand on it, this is amazing little bit of kit for cooking on, and again it's so light you don't notice it. So there, that small little titanium cook kit, I never leave without any of those pieces. Okay, so let's go on to number 3. Just a water filter. Doesn't matter which one you dig, which one you like, which one you prefer, any one of them. Saves you a lot of carrying weight around. If you're doing a Wicklow way, you definitely want one of these, big time. So you can filter all your water as you go along. Reduce it. If you bring a half a litre of water, it'll get you out of any hole really, maybe 3/4 of a litre, and then you'll come across a lake, a river, wherever, and you can just bang. So this saves a lot of carrying around, and keeps you more energy then, and lightweight. It's very important. Okay, so yeah, I can't split this. I think you'll all agree with me. These can't be split, can they? A knife and a saw. So you just can't. They're like carrots and peas. So silky saw, really good. This is a bigger one. You can get one with a blade and handle that size. I think it's called a pocket boy, but amazing piece of kit. I love how I do. I always have this kit with me. Yeah, so that's the silky saw. I think they're about €55, and the smaller ones are about 45. And then Hultifer's knife, full tang. So I can use this as basically a hatchet, an axe. You know, I can batten it down with bigger sticks and cut through. If you've watched my videos, you've seen me using this loads of times as a double axe. So I can split them. So what's that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to count them as 5. Okay, and then this. It's just a rain jacket, and let's forget about the rain for a moment. It's a wind jacket as well. Okay, so it blocks out the wind. If you're standing around, just got the camphor, and you've just got a normal jacket on that isn't wind breakable, yeah, the cold gets through you and it gets into your bones, and you'll feel colder, like, where one of these will stop all of that wind. It's got the same properties this has, and hydrostatics, as a Van Gogh Banshee tent, 5,000 hydrostatics. You know, and that's for the rain, sorry, but it stops the wind as well. So this keeps your body warm and keeps you warm, and it's light. You can just whip it off then when it stopped raining, and just carry it. It's lightweight. It's just an amazing piece, and it's called a Storm Cloud. That's what sold me on it. I was going to get the North Face Resolve, and then it was this, the Birdhouse Storm Cloud. So there, that's what sold it for me. So I'm glad I bought that, and that's 6 years old, and smells of smoke from the last camphor, and and so does this. Smells of smoke. I reckon I just don't even notice it, but my house would smell of smoke for the few days I'm back, and now I'm taking all my gear out, it's smelling the smoke again. Okay, so final number 7, medical kits, right? Oh, Rennie, I was looking for one of them the other night. Anyway, yeah, look, a medical kit. I do carry painkillers, ibuprofen, Rennie, anti-inflammatories, strong painkillers. Okay, so if someone has an accident and that, and just to bring them down, like pain, anything, you know, just I always have it with me. Okay, and thank God I've never had to use them for myself, never even a headache. I drink a lot of water, so that helps. But I have had to hand them out to people who are suffering with headaches and all, and just we're hurting a bit, so a bit paracetamol or something like that. But look, there's various things in this, you know, like whistles, compass in this one. Oh, I have toothpicks. But the most vital thing in this, for me and for anyone to have with them, is one of these. It's an emergency blanket. It's made of kind of tin foil, yeah, if you don't know about them already. Just basically it's like a tin foil sheet that will wrap around you and keep you warm and stop hypothermia from kicking in, which is very dangerous. So you should always have one of these. Everyone should have one of these kind of blankets, yeah. I'm not going to open it because it's very hard then to put them back together again, but one little piece of item, I think they cost €2 or €3, yeah. You should always have that in your kit, you know. And even look, if you're out and you're feeling extra cold and you're not near hypothermia or anything, and there is a cold night, if you grab your sleeping bag, wrap this around you and get back into your sleeping bag, you'd be toasty. Yeah, you'd be really toasty. So just always have one of those in your kit, right? There you are. That's my 7 pieces of kit that I wouldn't leave the house without. Let us know what you think, what you wouldn't leave without. Have I left something vital out that you need? Yeah, so let us know. Get in the comments on this one, please. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Take care for now. Bye bye.